Hello everybody, welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. I know that you already heard they're releasing some of the body cam footage from the July 13th, 2024 attempted assassination of Donald Trump, the Republican nominee for the 2024 presidential election. Now folks, we're gonna listen to it together. A couple of things I'm gonna need you to listen up for, okay? You ready? The black motorcycle, they mention it. They noticed it. They were looking for the owner of it. Doesn't seem any of these yahoos knew who owned it. They thought Crooks, the one they had just shot, was the owner of the motorcycle. Then they're going to talk about a couple of people that were filming both Crooks and them and then took off running after Crooks was shot. So this is deep, folks. You need to listen not to just the radio that's going off, but to the officers talking. So there's a lot of stuff going on. First, let's go back and do a memory rewind. Remember this?
Some gentlemen pull up into the blocked off parking lot where there were only empty police cars that they had left to park. And this person came up on a black motorcycle. It was a Harley. They were wearing very tight black wash skinny jeans with a yellow "Don't Tread on Me" flag around their neck. They got off the motorcycle. I noticed them for a moment. I noticed them and I turned back around towards where Trump was, towards the fence to listen. Just kind of, looking around, taking in the area around me, obviously all the way around me. And he is gone and he's no longer there. And so I looked to my right of the fence line and I did not see him. He would be easy to spot in the crowd. And there's not very much farther than you could go from where I was looking. I looked back to where his bike was parked and I saw that the side door of the building was wide open.
Where?
Right there.
There.
Yeah, okay, wait. So,
Can you see it? Here, take it. Here. Take the mic.
yep. There is the black motorcycle right there in front of the door. The right door is the door that was open where the mysterious man...
Now, folks, most of you already know because you're amazing. We're leaving for Maui August 1st through the 13th. Please consider sending anything you can for this mission trip for the fire victims. Now, if you send anything, guys, we're going to hook you up with our newsletter. That newsletter comes out on the 1st and the 15th of every single month. So you're going to get 12 issues or 6 months of newsletter, whether you send $1 or you send 1,000. So I hope you will row in that boat with us, guys. It's a big deal what we're fixing to do in Maui. We're going to bring the light to the darkness, folks. Okay, so you just heard her say she noticed the door where all the police were, right? That was their command center. That was the roof that Crooks was on when he shot and killed that gentleman, injured 2 others, plus Donald Trump. Now, here's the thing. We've all been talking about, was there possibly 2 shooters? We've all mentioned the water tower, right? I've seen the video. You guys are great. You send me everything. Sometimes I stay away from things until there's evidence. And there's a reason for that. It's called integrity, okay? Now, I want you to remember, when you hear what I'm fixing to let you listen to, you're going to hear them ask, is there a drone available to go to the water tower? What? Why? Why the water tower? Why? Okay, here we go.
So this is the guy that
Yes, that they sent Beaver County sniper scene and sent the pictures out. This is him.
Okay, all right.
Right, we're right there, obviously.
Got it. So the bike in the back, is he on that bike?
We don't know.
We don't know. So
I
you're
don't
just
know.
treating that as suspicious device.
Oh, one second. I believe the sniper that seen these and sent the pictures is right inside this building. Michelle, is Greg in there? All right, so if you go to that window that's open and yell for Greg, that's the sniper that sent the original pictures and seen him come from the bike and set the book back down and then lost sight of him.
Okay.
He's the one that sent the pictures out. I don't know if you got the same ones I did.
I think I did, yeah. He's got his glasses on and he's...
So we had the picture of that.
I got that.
Okay, and then this is his bike with the
I don't know
stuff.
about you, but I want to know who Greg is, for one. Is he Secret Service? Pennsylvania State Police? Who is Greg? Second off, what book bag? What book bag? What was in the book bag, guys? What's in the book bag?
And our sniper seen him walking away from that, I believe.
Okay.
But he would be right inside that window. He's the one that physically seen this, sent the pictures, and called it out.
Okay, so, and we have somebody detained, correct?
There were
That I
two
don't know.
people detained on this side.
Our guy that was just up here told me that there's a guy detained. He's the owner of the bike. And I said, no, that's the owner of the bike.
Yeah, basically, when I got
There it is. You just heard it. They don't know who the owner of the bike was. Remember, owner of the bike. Yellow don't tread on me. Dark sunglasses. Skinny soy latte drinking pants at a Trump rally with a suspicious book bag that he sat down. Nobody knows where he is. Nobody knows who he is. And to date, to my knowledge, they have never, in any of the discussions I've heard with Secret Service or anything else, another person mentioned that bike.
Been up here, so we wouldn't know that information.
we just hauled ass. We got over here.
Got it.
We hopped up over here.
That's no problem. Is that all your stuff?
That was one of our
Yeah, so someone came up looking to treat him and was connected.
Yes.
Copy. Gas is off to the building, just so you know.
Thank you.
PSP had some.
Yeah, they do. I talked to the guy. They were those people detained were filming.
Water was notified. They authorized.
Maybe they were involved. Maybe they weren't.
Will start somebody.
Other than that, I haven't heard anybody.
Well, I think it's
Nothing. Close out the line.
the guys that saw them filming were like, oh, they were filming us and then filming the guy up on the roof and then filming us. And then when shots started firing, they like tried to run away. It was like, isn't that what everybody would do that has a phone? You know, I'm not saying they weren't involved, but you know what I mean? Like that.
It's up in the air right now, right?
Right. So I got no problem detaining them. But again, I'm just trying to detain those guys, find out what they know, who they are, whatever. I'm trying to get clear information to relay back to DC.
Bring control to the water tower.
We have one shooter deceased.
All right, guys, if you're watching this and you are not a member, a subscriber, please hit the subscription button. Throw up a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Our channel's growing really fast. Second thing, if you're a subscriber, double check. Make sure YouTube has not shadow banned us again and unsubscribed you. Right now, just look up there. If it's not clicked, click it.
I think we have 3 victims in the crowd. Did you guys hear that too?
That I'm not sure.
So I heard 1 deceased, 2 life flighted.
I know 2 helicopters did take off.
Yeah. Okay.
So I don't know how many victims.
3 are deceased.
Number 1, Commander. We have access to a drone. Clear this water tower.
Any LE?
No, it's incorrect.
I will try to
There
confirm.
was one Secret Service actually, that was the one that was vehicle.
In the van.
Yeah,
There it is. Do we have a drone to check the water tower? Why? What did they see that was suspicious enough to ask, is there a drone available?
Did he survive? Copy.
All right, you can see some of those tense moments immediately in the aftermath in Butler, Pennsylvania. This is the post from Chuck Grassley, the senator from Iowa, saying, my office has obtained documents from law enforcement on July the 13th, the assassination attempt of President Trump, writing the Secret Service acting director Rowe, and the Secretary Mayorkas, again, to get badly needed answers and clarity on a...
All right, guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. There it is, the first Secret Service footage available to the American public. Have you lost faith in them? I mean, seriously, have you? Because I know I have. These people did a terrible job, but it's so much like past that. I almost feel like you saw all these people. You guys were sharing photos of potential like terrorist acts. And none of you did anything until a man lost his life. 2 others were seriously injured and had to be medevaced. President Trump was shot. Was this intentional? Like, I've said this before. Do I think everybody there involved in this, all the police officers and stuff, do I think they're all bad? Do I think that they were all in on some plot to kill Trump? No. But I think that they were all so ill-equipped. You see what I'm saying? Like, so not trained so DEI hire, so overworked, underpaid, and not good at their jobs. I don't think any of these people involved in the Secret Service and the securing of the site were trained adequately, nor do I believe that's the best America has to offer. You could have put any military regiment there and they would have done, our National Guardsmen, my sons, 18 to 26, would have done better protecting President Trump than these grown professional people who, by the way, I am going to do a video upcoming for you guys. I'm hoping I can get it done before I go to Maui on the differences between federal and state retirement pay and benefits versus what you and I get, okay? Because I think that's got a lot to do. Some of these people are highly paid, like paid very well. Great retirements. They get a 3% raise every single year for the cost of living. Anybody giving you guys a 3% raise for inflation? Yeah, no, huh? Yeah, all on your tax dollars. And they screwed this up that bad. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Love you guys. Good night.